Good morning, students. Today I am explaining list manipulations methods. Okay, inside it I explain different types of methods of the list. Whatever methods provided by the Python built-in functions that is used to access some particular elements from the list. I just explain that methods. Okay. First, list functions and method. First we know what is the list and what is the functions. Actually Python provides some built-in functions and some methods for the list manipulations. It is used basically to some changes, some deleted, updated or added some element in our list. Now look at what is the functions and how we will give the you must be remember its index. First, list object dot method name, then curve bracket. First function is list index function. List index function is used to access the index of the values of our list element. Whatever value we are inserted in our लिस्ट ओके जो भी लिस्ट में जितनी भी वैल्यू है अगर हमको उसका इंडेक्स इफ़ यू वांट टू एक्सेस देयर इंडेक्स so we are using these methods. So here we just give the value inside the curve bracket. So what's the syntax? Suppose I create one list k and I just give the value different values I give. Okay, look it, and I want to access only the index value of element 6. So I write k dot index then 6. So 6 is in a third position but Python return 0 because it is started from the 0. First element it gives 0, second element 2, third element it give the value index value 2 and so on. So here the third element is 6 and so that's its return, its index value is 2. And look at the next line, k dot index 3. Okay, k dot index 3. So 3 is not inside our list, so it will be written it's a error. And if I write the element, same element but these element in a square bracket, so again it return error because square bracket is not allowed when we call any list method. Now next is append method. Append method is used to add element. Basically it is used to add element and it will be add the element at the end of the list. So we are I just give one example. First I create one list and they are having 3 elements 1 2 3. If I want to add some new one new element 4 in my list, so I write list dot append 4. And if we want to use the another list or make another list, we just give the list equal to list 1 dot append then 4. So what they are doing, after these functions Python return two list 2 and list 2 is empty because we are not given any value. We just use the functions of the list. Okay, so it will be written the empty elements, it is an empty list 2 and list 1 is append 1 elements 4. Now next is extend method. Extend method is used to add multiple element into the list. Okay, if we want to add more than one element, for that we are using extend functions. So we create two list and using t1 dot extend t2, so it will be add the t2 yani second list into the first list. So first list will be changed and in this list all the elements of the second list will be added at the end. And in list 2 no changes is there, no append extend method will be apply because we add only the elements into the list 2 list 1. Okay, same thing here, list 3 t3 equal to t1 dot extend t2. So in this case also in t3 3 no element is there, it creates just empty list, and it will be changed in list 1. Again it add the list 2 at the end of list 1. Now insert method. Insert method is used to insert element into the given position. Okay, if we want to add element according to our required place of the list, so we just use insert method. So insert method, we just give the list name, then dot, then method, and inside the square bracket we just specify the position where we want to insert the element, and then items. Okay, so here I just create one list ABC, and here I want to insert I in a second place. So after insert functions it will be written A, B, I, C. Now the third functions, pop function. Pop function is basically used to remove the element from the list. So what's the syntax? List dot pop, then index. If we specify the index value, it will be written the particular index value. If we can't, if we did not specify any index, so it will be written the last element from the list. Okay,